This is Max, a student. Max had been taking online classes on digital web design and development courses. So, he was heavily dependent on his laptop, iPad, and other devices. But in the last month, he accidentally broke his iPad mini screen. He was desperately looking for a fast screen repair service as he didn't want to hamper his study. While scrolling on the internet, he got to know about iTech Xpress, a reliable repair store. After visiting their website https://ichexpressinc.com/, he found out many things. He got to know, iTech Xpress has its own stock of genuine device parts, and this is why they offer a fast service. Max was mesmerized to know iTech Xpress charges too affordably and offer a guarantee on repaired items as well. Without wasting time, he contacted them. They soon replaced the broken glass with a new one and delivered the device to Max. Max was too happy to get his device back within a short time. Do you want to repair your device just like Max did? Contact iTech Xpress at 626-777-4747. You can also browse their website as mentioned earlier.